Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Whenever it comes to cooking a chicken curry, we have this habit of always adding onions. But you know what? You can still cook a delicious chicken curry without using any onions at all. And this recipe, my friends, is going to prove that. Just give it a try and you will fall in love with it because it is that delicious. Okay, so enough of talking. Now let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is to make that magic spice blend. We need some whole coriander seeds, cumin seeds, mustard seeds. You can even use yellow mustard seeds. We also need poppy seeds and dry red chili. Add hot water and let it sit for about an hour or two. After that, drain out the water through a strainer. Remember to use a strainer with a fine mesh. If the holes of your strainer are big, then there are chances that you will lose all the poppy seeds while draining the water. It happened to me, so I thought of mentioning this point in this video, as poppy seeds are extremely expensive and you do not want them to go through that drain. Put them into a blender jar. If poppy seeds are unavailable where you live, then use 8 to 10 cashew nuts instead. Add water and blend everything to a fine paste. Next, we need to make ginger garlic paste. Here I have taken some garlic and ginger. Add these to the blender jar with little water and blend to a smooth paste. Coming to marinating the chicken, I have taken chicken with bones. Add the ginger garlic paste, then turmeric powder, the sunshine of Indian cuisine, plain unflavored yogurt, and little oil. Mix everything very well, and if you have time in hand, then please marinate it for about an hour, as the chicken tastes so much better if it gets marinated. Next, I need potatoes. Now I am using potatoes as my husband just cannot think of a chicken curry without it. So better not to disappoint him. But you can definitely leave it out. Potatoes are worth adding in a chicken curry as they become really flavorful after absorbing all that goodness from the gravy. So just give it a try once. Then I also chopped a large tomato. Start by heating a pan over medium-high heat. Add some oil. I need these whole spices, dried bay leaf, a cinnamon stick, and green cardamoms. Add them to the hot oil. Then reduce the heat to low and add the marinated chicken with all that marinade. The reason why you need to lower the heat in the beginning is that you do not want the yogurt to curdle once it touches that hot pan. So lower the heat, stir for a few minutes so that the yogurt comes up to the temperature on a slow heat, and then after a few minutes you can increase the heat to medium-high. In the beginning you will see the chicken releasing a lot of water. Keep on stirring on medium-high heat till all that water starts reducing. A time will come when you will see all that water has disappeared and you will see the oil leaving the sides. See, there is no more liquid left and all you can see now is that oil. This is the point you will know that your chicken is well fried. At this stage I added the Kashmiri red chili powder. You can even use paprika. Then comes the spice paste that we made earlier. Stir very well on medium-high heat for a few minutes till the raw smell from those spices goes away and you get this toasted smell of those spices. This will take a few minutes. Then add the chopped tomatoes. Stir till the tomatoes get softened. Next add salt and then the potatoes. Stir till the potatoes get well mixed with the chicken and those spices. Then to balance the sharp flavor from all those spices, I always add some sugar, but you can leave it out if you choose to. Okay, so now everything looks well mixed. So next comes the liquid medium. I added about a cup of water to my blender jar in which I made that spice blend to take out all that goodness, and many of you by now must be knowing that I have a habit of doing this. Then I added 1 more cup of warm water. As soon as the gravy comes up to a boil, cover it and let it get cooked on low heat for about 20 minutes. From time to time uncover, give a stir and cover again. You can add warm water if you see the gravy is drying up. Now let's check whether the chicken has turned soft or not. My chicken looks perfect. Do a taste test at this point and adjust the seasonings. Now here on a separate burner I have put a small pan on medium-high heat. To this I added ghee. As soon as the ghee becomes hot, take it off heat and add garam masala powder. Always remember to do this off heat or else the garam masala powder will burn. Then add this fragrant goodness to the chicken. Then I like adding little lemon juice. Then cover it on low heat for about 2 minutes. Finally, some freshness to the curry and my favorite, chopped coriander leaves. This goes very well with roti, naan and even rice. That blend of those seeds make this curry extremely delicious and quite different from your regular chicken curry. Please try this recipe and your lovely feedback is always appreciated. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing as it means a lot to me. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.